In front of me is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Lastly, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. To manage them, tap on the switches next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!